METAtrader4 winning forex trading strategy. This strategy is strictly meant for METAtrader4. You cannot use this on the Rife platform except you have the MT5 version of this particular strategy. I have done the MT5 version of this strategy before, and people do request for the MT4 version, and that's why I'm making this particular video. I've combined the same indicators together with the same setting. Make sure you trade on the regulated forex brokers. In my video description, I did drop some links to some of the best regulated forex brokers. Make sure you check them out and open an account with any of the brokers that you like. Now let us move on to today's strategies. I've combined few indicators together to come up with this winning forex trading strategy on METAtrader4. Now let me show you all the indicators I used for this particular strategy. The first indicator is a multi-EMA indicator. These are the values for this particular indicator, the indicator that did give us this arrow. These are the values, but I turned the other color off. I do not need them. You'll have seen other EMA on the chart. I only needed the arrow. So every other thing I turn it off. Make sure you do the same thing. So the next indicator is the symbol changer here. I believe you have it already. This indicator on my left hand side here, just to see the pairs that I normally check in order for me to trade. Then we have this EMA rebound, which is the same thing as the EMA rebound I gave on the MT5 version, and this is the same value for this particular indicator. The first period is 13, and the fast speed is 2.5, and the slow speed is 1.8, and apply to close. Just make sure you apply it to close. We have different options here, but if you want to try it, you can try other options, but this is what I use for this particular strategy, and that's what I use for the MT5 version. And the color, the first one, these are the colors. You can just play with the color here, but this is what I use, this is what I change it to, and that's why you have the color here. Now let's check the second EMA indicator. Just look at the setting for this one is 13, 2.5, 1.8. The other value is going to change. This is the same indicator. You can see the period is 20 and fast speed is 2.5, slow speed is 1.0, and they apply to close also. And these are the colors that I use. To find out the colors are different. We have the blue color here and gold, and the other color. Just make sure you change it and set it up accordingly. So this is the EMA ribbon I use, and the settings for the same EMA but different setting, different values. And Fibonacci indicator, these are the colors and value. Just make sure you enter it or you change to any color you want. There's no big deal about this particular indicator, just to show us the candle, the buy and sell candle, and I've explained it in one of the video how best you can use this Fibonacci indicator. And the last indicator on the indicator window is a QQE indicator. These are the values that I use. You can pause the video and set it up. These are the values, and if you want the alert or you want anything here that I turned off, you can turn it on. So these are the values for this particular indicators, and this is just the color. I'm referring to the indicator here on the indicator window, the QQE indicator. So just click OK when you are done. So the level is the 50 level here. You can add to it. This is where to add it. Just click on add and add the value you want, but I do not need any other value apart from the 50 value, so I don't need to change any other thing again, but yours you have to change it. So these are all the indicators I use for this particular strategy. But if you want to use my template, I will include my template in the video description. Make sure you download it and attach it to your chart. The only thing I'm not going to add is this symbol changer indicator, because the symbol might be different from your own. This is US30 cash, but your own might be just US30. So that's why I'm not going to add it. Just do the same thing you want. Just enter it as you see it on your own platform. Now let us analyze this strategy together. How do I use this profitably? Now you have to look out for these two indicators. These are the two EMA indicators. Both must change colors. We have this one aqua color, we have the blue color. The other one must change to red, and this must change to gold before you consider taking any trade. This is USD Japanese yen on US on 15-minute time frame, and we have the cross the two EMA indicator did change at this particular point for us to sell this USD Japanese yen at this particular point. Then the next thing you look out for QQE indicator is this one below 50 line. If it is not below, it is still risky. As we have it here, it did give us signal at this particular point. The blue line did cross below the dotted line for a sell, and we found out that the market didn't go down immediately, and it just keep on pushing up a bit until it crossed at this particular point. And we have the EMA indicator did give us signal. Multi EMA did give us signal also. So this is the best point for us to enter this particular sell. And further, we have a cross here. The blue line did cross above the dotted line, but we do not have any signal here, and it has not crossed above the 50 level. So you cannot enter a trade with only QQE indicator. And a few candles later, we have continuation here. We have the arrow still in direction of this EMA indicator, and this is trend continuation, and it did deliver. So this is how to use this particular strategy, and your stop loss is just going to be few pips above the previous high. Your stop loss will be here, and your risk to reward ratio might be 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3. All depends on you, but make sure you adjust your stop loss either to break even or secure part of your profit when you are in profit and ride the trend. So this is it on the USD Japanese yen. So let's check it out again on another pair or another time frame. This is 1 minute. Let's check 1 minute. This is 1 minute. If you want to scalp on 1 minute time frame, just check the direction on 15 minutes. If it is done, then you only take sell trade on lower time frame. Every other signal, you are not going to take it. Here we have a sell confirmation. We have another sell confirmation. We are waiting for another sell here. Now let's check it on the US 30. This is US 30 cash. Here's it on 1 minute time frame, and here's it on the 15-minute time frame. Here's it on 5-minute time frame. Just make sure you stick to any time frame you want to trade. It is simple and it's the same methodology. So on 5 minutes we still have the same setup. This is on US Tech, still the same methodology. Here's it on 15 minutes, and here's it on 1 minute time frame. And let's check it on gold. Here's it on 1 minute time frame. This does not repaint. They don't repaint. The indicators here don't repaint. Just allow the candle to close. We have confirmation here. This was above 50 level, and we have the arrow before then. So this is a good ride. Here we have sell signal here that was generated. We have the arrow. QQ was below 50 level, but it didn't go far. So no strategy is 100% accurate. I'm not trying to paint the picture to you that this particular strategy is 100% accurate. No, it is not. That is why you have to follow money management. Money management is very important. Money management is very important in forex trading. If you are going to last, make sure you follow money management. Trade what you see, and make sure you practice well on demo account before you go live. Familiarize yourself with all the indicators here before you go live. It is important that you trade on a regulated forex brokers and open demo account on any forex broker platform, and try this on METAtrader4. So on Great Britain's Japanese yen is still the same methodology. Euro Japanese yen is still the same thing. Great Britain pounds New Zealand that I do trade is still the same methodology. Just make sure you follow money management and you will be fine. You can use this on any time frame you want to trade. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so, and do give me a thumb up. Do not forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified anytime I share another winning forex trading strategy. The download links to all the indicators I use for this particular strategy is in the video description. Make sure you download it. Till I come your way again, make sure you keep on trying on a regulated forex brokers and practice and practice again until you are sure that the strategy you can work with it and it's going to make you money consistently before you deposit your hard-earned money.